Alright guys, on page 14, this is day 10. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a lot of this up to you because this is stuff that we have covered or that you should have covered at some point. I want you to really look at the definitions. Go through the examples. I told you those green boxes are extremely important. I just want to point out a couple of things as we go through here. I want you to really pay attention to a scatter plot. We're going to look at a lot of graphs this year. So make sure you understand the difference between things. I want you to look at your definitions of magnitude. Pay attention to what absolute value means. Alright, distance formula, that is something that you guys should already know. They give you the distance formula for a number line. Then they go on to give you a distance formula for if you are actually on a coordinate plane. So make sure you understand how to use that. And I'm not spending a whole lot of time on this because, like I said, this is stuff that you should have used. Between geometry and your algebra classes, you should have already done most of this. Alright, midpoint formulas, make sure you look at those green boxes. I told you, those green boxes are important. I cannot stress that enough. Make sure you know the difference between the midpoint formulas. You've got the number line, then you've got the actual coordinate plane one. And then equations for circles. Knowing the equation for a circle. If you know this section, you're going to do well because we use a lot of this, especially knowing those equations. But just take some time to really look through this. As a pre-calculus student, you should be able to go through a lot of this on your own. If you have questions, guys, you know how to get a hold of me. Make sure you ask.